Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you today, girls? How are you? Okay, today, inshallah, we will take together Unit 5, Lesson 2. But first of all, I will tell you the day and the date. The day today is what, girls? The day today is Monday, and the spelling is Monday. And the date is to 5/14/43 after Hijrah. Okay, girls? As I told you before, girls, today we will take Unit 5, Lesson 1, page 36 and 37 in our book We Can. And as I told you before, the title of our unit is about yesterday and today. We explained together the past simple tense, right? Now I will give you some irregular verbs. First of all, we will start with go in the present, went in the past, take in the present, took in the past, get up in the present, got up in the past, come in the present, came in the past. Okay, so go, went, take, took, get up, got up, come, came, write, wrote, drink, drank, swim, swam, pray, prayed, play, played. Okay, you have to memorize the past simple tense. Okay, girls? Now, if I ask you girls, what is the past of the verb get up? Is it gets up, got up, or getting up? Of course, the right answer is got up. Let me see number 2. What is the past of the verb take? Is it takes, taking, or took? Of course, the right answer is took. Now we have the time again. Please, my beautiful students, you have to focus with me. How can you say the time? First of all, if you want to ask about the time, you can use two questions. Number 1, what time is it? And number 2, what is the time? Number 2, I told you before that we have two hands in the clock, right? We have the minute hands and the hour hand, okay? First of all, if the minute hand is on number 12, you have to say o'clock. On number 1, you have to say 5. On number 2, you have to say 10. 3, 15. 4, 20. Number 5, 25. 6, 30. 7, 35. Sorry, girls, here 35. 35. Then 40. Wait a minute, please. 35. 40. 45, 50, and 55. Okay, now what is the time? Here, this is this is the hour hand, and this is the minute hand. You have to start with the hour. You have to say it is 2:30. It is 2:30. It is what? It is 2:30. Okay, girls? It is 2:30. Okay? Make sentences using usually. For example, I will say, I usually take a bath, for example. I usually take a bath. This is number 1. I usually take a bath. Number 2. Number 2, girls. I usually help my mother. I usually help my mother. Okay? So make sentences using usually. I usually take a bath. I usually help my mother. Okay, girls? Now I need you to change into the past. How can you change into the past? You have to look for the verb. Where is the verb here? The verb is do. What is the past of do? The past of do is did. So you have to say, I did my homework. I did my homework. So I did my homework. This is in the past, and the first one is in the present. What about here, girls? I come home at 2 o'clock. change this sentence in the past, you have first to look for the verb. What is the verb? The verb is come. Change it into the past. You have to say, I came home at 2 o'clock. I came home at 2 o'clock. What is the verb here? The verb here is came, okay? In the past, of course, and come in the present. Okay, girls? So, now, open your book, please, girls. Page 36. Write the day with the date. After that, you have to listen, okay? I think 30, wait a minute. Open your book, page number, girls. Yeah, 36 and 37. 36 and 37, girls. After that, listen. You have to listen and focus here, girls.
Grammar in action. Exercise 1. Listen and practice saying the words in pairs. 1. Get up. Got up. 2. Eat lunch. Ate lunch. 3. Come home. Came home. 4. Do my homework. Did my homework. 5. Take a bath. Took a bath. 6. Go to bed. Went to bed.
So, listen to me carefully. Listen to me, girls. These verbs are in the present and these verbs are in the past. We have get up, got up, eat lunch, ate lunch, come home, came home, do my homework, did my homework, take a bath, took a bath, go to bed, went to bed. Exercise 2, girls, listen, point, and chat.
Exercise 2. Listen, point, and chat.
I usually get up at 7 o'clock. Yesterday, I got up at 8 o'clock. I usually eat lunch at 12 o'clock. Yesterday, I ate lunch at 1 o'clock. I usually come home at 3 o'clock. Yesterday, I came home at 3:30. I usually do my homework at 5:30. Yesterday, I did my homework at 8:30. I usually take a bath at 8 o'clock. Yesterday, I took a bath at 6:30. I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock. Yesterday, I went to bed at 9:30.
Okay, girls. Here we have usually and yesterday. I will make a sentence using usually and I will make a sentence using the past. Okay? First of all, I usually get up at 12 o'clock. But yesterday I got up at 11 o'clock. Okay? Number 2, we have eat lunch and ate lunch. I usually eat lunch at 2 o'clock. But yesterday, I ate lunch at 3 o'clock, for example, okay? Now, challenge time. Listen here.
Challenge time. Exercise 3. What time is it? Can you listen to the sentences and point to the time on the clocks?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. 1. It's 7 o'clock. 2. It's 7:30. 3. It's 9 o'clock. 4. It's 9:30. 5. It's 1:10. 6. It's 2:20. 7. It's 4:15. 8. It's 5:30. 9. It's 5:10. 10. It's 9:25. 11. It's 10:15. 12. It's 11:45.
Okay, listen to me now, girls. 1, it's 7 o'clock. 2, it's 7:30. 3, it's 9 o'clock. 4, it's 9:30. 5, it's 1:10. 6, it's 2:20. 7, it's 4:15. 8, it's 5:30. 9, it's 5:10. 10, it's 9:25. 11, it's 10:15. 12, it's 11:45. Okay? Your homework is page 105 and 106. Listen here. You have to read the verbs here, then sing this chant. After that, write the past tense form. I take a bath, I took a bath. I do my homework, I did my homework. Then, here you have to listen, girls. Listen to the time and draw hands in the clock. What do I mean by the hands? I mean the minute hands and the hour hand. Listen, please.
12:36. I can look at a clock and say what time it is. 2. Listen to the time and draw hands in the clocks. 1. 1 o'clock.
So number one, it's 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock.
2. 3:30.
2, it's 3:30. It's 3:30. Number 3.
3. 7 o'clock.
Number 3, 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. You have to draw it by yourself, girls.
4. 8:10.
Here, it's 8:10. Number 4, where's the... It's 8:10. It's 8:10.
5. 12:20.
5, it's 12:20. It's 12:20 on number 4.
6. 4:35.
It's 4. It's 4. So it's 4:35. It's 4:35. Okay? Can you read the time? It's 2:20. Number 2, it's 1:40. Number 3, it's 3:10. 4, 5:20. 5, 6:30. And 6, 7:50. Okay? So this is the end of my lesson today, my beautiful students. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you in my virtual class. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye.